Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to set up a Discord bot with my custom Discord application after you've installed the dependencies, because that is detailed on the website. This is much harder to detail, I guess. So, we're going to start out by just showing this little Discord server. I made it in like 2 seconds, named a tutorial, gave it a... well, I didn't do anything, this is just default. So anyways, let's actually get to the, well, doing work part of it. So, go over to this URL, it's in the description. It's called, well, the URL is discord.com/developers/applications. You can find the description. Type that in. First, click on New Application. I'm going to call it Tutorial. You can call it whatever you want. You'll just create a quick Discord application. This isn't necessarily a bot. You have to set up the bot inside this. I don't know what you could also do with this. It probably has to do with like game integration. You can create a custom icon. It'll be like your user icon, but it's for a Discord bot. Anyways, first step, ignore all this. This will be deleted, so if you try and, add this bot to your Discord server, it will not work, so just don't try it. So, first step, click on Add Bot, and just say yes to it, it doesn't matter. And you can change the username of the bot, so you can even have different application names and different bot names, so like you could change the username. Again, don't try and put this on your Discord server, it won't work. Now, you will have your own token. Also, don't use this token because it, again, won't work. You can add a custom icon. This will actually be the user's icon. This is not the same as this. This is the icon that appears on your Discord server if the bot is added. This is just the icon that appears in your applications menu on the website. So, first step, if you wanted to have administrator privileges, which I highly recommend, just click this checkbox. It makes it way easier. You don't have to pick manually, just pick the checkbox. I recommend turning off public bot if you don't want random people using it. I'll just leave it on, it doesn't matter. I'll delete this. Okay, so now we're gonna get into actually setting up this bot and making it, well, do its job. So, step one, we're going to actually get into the configuration of your bot. So I'm on Linux. You can actually, it doesn't matter right now how you do this, because what I'm doing right now only applies if you're a Linux user. I'm a Linux user, so this is what you would do. I already detail how to do this, so you don't need to follow this. If you are any other user, just follow the tutorial that is in the README on the GitHub repo. So, go into the folder. Mine is HelperBot, but it'll be different because it's downloaded from GitHub on your version. My version is the local version that I currently have running on my computer. So, obviously, just right-click, and then in some package managers, you can do an action like open a terminal. I'm using the Dolphin for the file manager, so I can just go to Actions and Open Terminal here. Nautilus will just have a button for opening a terminal. So anyways, you will get a terminal. You can't see the terminal right now. Let me fix that. A moment, please. Okay, so now I have a terminal that's open in that directory that I was just in. So, to start it, just run /start.sh and it'll boot up your bot. Obviously, you get this error because it's not actually a real, not a real working key. So all you have to do is just control-click on this, and it'll open up in your web browser. So let's go back over to my web browser, which is Firefox, and it has this. This is the main page that you'll see when you're configuring your bot. It looks pretty terrible, but it doesn't entirely matter. I may fix it in the future. So, what you first need to do is go to this page, and under this little settings tab thing, click on bot. Then around here in this general area, there's a thing called token. Click on this button called copy to your clipboard, and then you can just select this little box for API token, press Control A, and then press Control V. That is just copying and selecting all of the text in here and replacing it with your new API token. Now, you can just don't press enter. Enter is actually the wrong thing to do. Press submit, and it'll still say this is wrong. You just reload the page. Not reload the page, but if you stop your application in the terminal by pressing Control C, and then running the command again, it should log in. And now it's logged in. So now if I reload this page, which you actually shouldn't reload the update page, you can just click on it, and I don't know why. This is actually the wrong API token. It's not displaying the correct one. I will fix that in an update. Just ignore this for now. Or maybe it's right, and I'm just being dumb. You can actually just go check to see if that's correct by revealing the token. Yep, that is actually the right token. So this is correct. I was just being stupid. Anyways, now we have these two default commands. Ping will respond with pong, and hello, it'll respond with world. Command prefix is the character that will go before your command, which could be hello or ping. Basically, this is just the thing that tells the bot that, hey, this is a command that you should respond to. So anyways, now let's go on to adding it to your Discord server. So first, click on this little tab called OAuth 2, sorry. And then you can just, in this little area, click on this box for bot. And then it'll have bot permissions. You can activate this. I recommend activating administrator. And then you can click copy for this link. And then you can just paste it into your web browser, and then it'll load it up. And then you can add a server. I will select the server, which is tutorial, and then you can click continue. And then you'll leave this administrator thing on. Click authorize, and then it'll ask for a CAPTCHA. Click yes, and it's authorized. So now you might suddenly hear in your Discord server a notification sound. That's because it was just added to your Discord server. So now the tutorial bot is now on your Discord server. So you can type hello, and it'll respond with world. Or you could type, what was the other command again? Oh, right, ping, and then it'll respond with pog. Now, here's the fun part. I'm going to show you how to add your own commands and remove your own commands. So let's get my browser open up again, and to add a new command, click the add command button and fill in these two boxes. For the command, we're going to do test, and then we're going to reply with what are we going to reply with? Let's go with hello and welcome to the I may not have good spelling. I'm not trying to Science Enrichment Center. I know that's probably not the voice line, but I'm just gonna go with that. And now that you've typed both the command that the user is going to type in to activate it, and the response that the bot is going to respond with, command prefix is set to an exclamation point. Hey, let's change that. Say for some reason you want it to be a $sign as the command prefix. So like when you type in $ping, it'll respond with pong. Okay, now that we have that set up, click submit. And then if we go back into our terminal, it may, for some reason, not work. Let's click submit. Oh, I don't think that's true. Yeah, I just forgot to select one. It will update the configuration that's saved to your, well, whatever storage device you use. You can even put this on a USB drive if for some reason you wanted to just put it on any computer you wanted. I don't know why you would do this, but no, maybe you switch around computers a lot for some reason. Anyways, now if we go back into our Discord server, you can see that we have, well, nothing's really changed. It doesn't really change that much between updates. You don't even have to restart it. All you have to do is just change the configuration like we did, and then for some reason it has two ping and two pong responses. Maybe that's just a bug that I have. Let's try ping and see if it'll respond twice. Yeah, that's a bug. I'll fix that later. Anyways, use $test and it'll respond with our new command. Yeah, this is another bug with a break line. This is a break line tag in HTML. It's not supposed to be here, but don't worry. I'll fix it. By the time you see this video, it'll already be fixed, probably. Anyways, let's go back to the web browser. Now I'm going to show you how to remove commands. Particularly, we're going to remove the broken command that shouldn't be there, which is pong. One of these ping and pongs. So just type 0. Well, basically just type in the ID of the row that you want to remove. So I want to remove this row, and the ID for this row is 0. So just type in 0, and remove command, and it's gone. Then we can click submit. Maybe it has to do with the second line, so let's do that. Oh, oops. Unremove command, remove. Go to 2, remove command. We can just click submit. Oh, yeah, that's not supposed to happen. Don't worry, I'll fix it in the update. You don't have to worry about this when you use it. So, anyways, that is how you add and remove commands. Actually, let's do hello world. So there's no longer hello world command. Yeah, this is just progressively adding more in ping and pong. I don't know what's doing this. I can probably fix it, and it'll probably be a mess because my code is a mess, and I'm not very good at writing clean code. Anyways, now if we try to use hello for the command, it won't work anymore. And now, just to show you what it looks like if you were to... I have a dog. Yeah, they sometimes talk. Anyways, if you want to see what it looks like when you are using the if you want to see what the actual configuration file looks like, I'm going to show you this right now. Take a second. Anyways, this is what the configuration file looks like. It's very simple, and it's just your standard JSON file if you know what that means. Of course, this is the weird BR issue that I'm seeing. I can just remove this. I can clear all of these up just by selecting that. And this isn't part of the tutorial, this is just me fixing up the command stuff. And then if you go back to, say, your web page, which has configuration, the thing is you have to change something if you want it to change like that. But we could make this easier. I'm gonna do this, you won't see this, but you just restart the application and it'll reload the configuration file. Then if I reload this page, it will show me all of these. Anyways, I hope you will use this bot on your Discord server, and if you see how many bugs and that it happens that scares you, you're welcome to not use it. Of course, it's not something you have to do, but I made this in a day. It was pretty cool to me. So I hope you'll use this on your own Discord server. Please let me know if you use this on your Discord in the comments below. If you even want, you can send the Discord server to me in the comments below. Don't make sure to subscribe, because I'm pretty sure this is going to be the last video, and if there are any other videos, it's just going to be a tutorial on how to use my tool. Goodbye, whoever's watching.